I swear I do more than just buy them. Hello friends! Today I finally got around to making an order through KotoUS. I hope this may help you decide, should you buy from KotoUS? I was eager to get a hold of a couple brand new kits via pre-order. These kits were apparently highly sought after because I couldn't find them or pre-order them anywhere online where I usually look. I was obviously quite late to the game on these. That is, until I discovered KotoUS has a distribution center in the US. I made my order near the end of February on some of these kits, and they were pre-ordering for availability in March. Before we begin, just for clarity's sake, this is not sponsored, obviously. I don't have the subscriber count for that kind of thing. Of course I'm not sponsored. KotoUS does need to wait for their stock to come in from Japan before they can ship it out to domestic customers. My expectation was that it would be after March before it would be shipped out, and then I should expect a week or so for delivery in these new and uncertain times. Once I painstakingly waited for March to be done, I got my first notification of shipment. I managed to make it over the border and into my hands approximately a week and a half after I saw that tracking email. The last one, which hasn't yet arrived at the shipping facility, is still pending. It's not expected to get shipped out until at least July, so I have some waiting still left to do. KotoUS states currently that they will ship pre-ordered items as soon as they are available. The first one in the pile is the Magatsuki, based on the frame arms model of the same name designed by Tomo and transformed into an original female character illustrated by Eiji Komatsu. Apparently this kit has some molding differences, as well as changes to the head mounting, if I understood that correctly. So I'm looking forward to seeing how different this build actually is compared to the other previous models. All these items were packed in the standard way you'd expect. Crumpled paper was used for cushions around the items, and each box was wrapped with tissue paper to avoid scratches. And second up is the Bullet Knight's Exorcist. This unit uses the base design of the Bullet Knight's Lancer. This kit apparently features some body upgrades as well, allowing for more flexibility in posing, etc. Although it's not immediately apparent to me how different it is. Regarding customer service email support, as I've heard it mentioned a few times on forums, it is my only small gripe, as it is pretty inconsistent. I emailed customer service only a handful of times though, and they were non-urgent questions that I just couldn't find information for online, so I wouldn't really consider it more than a very small nuisance, at least in my case. And finally, we have the Bullet Knight's Executioner. This unit uses the base design of the Bullet Knight's Launcher. This kit is supposed to feature the same body changes as the Exorcist, so I will see how significant it is once I actually get around to building it. So all in all, in my opinion, they were great at getting me my product so far. Even though I'm still waiting on one more kit, I don't expect there to be any issues with its final delivery, given the promptness of the stuff that was already available. Hopefully this will tie me over for a while, and I won't have to get any more kits. Anyway, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. I hope some of you found this useful. Until next time.